Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I will show you a quick process of what you have to do before installing new Tpms tire pressure sensors on any vehicle, especially if you are getting aftermarket Tpms sensors. So pretty much you cannot just go to the car parts store, buy the sensors, have somebody install it onto the rims and have it done, because the vehicle will not recognize it. So first you have to program them to a specific vehicle and then they can be installed, and after that the vehicle will recognize them. In my case I have a 2010 Dodge Grand Caravan which came without the Tpms sensors, so I got these aftermarket ones, the Alligator brand, and now I will show you how you can program them to that specific vehicle. Unfortunately, to do that you will need the Tpms diagnostic tool. Now here in Canada you can pretty much rent out this kind of tool from any tire shop for 10 bucks a day, or your other option is just buy one at Amazon or eBay. There are some cheaper options for like 50 bucks and then you have it for any vehicle you have to use it on. Okay, so I will show you now how this works. I have a tool from Napa, and once I turn it on I'll have a couple of options here. I have a check sensor option, I have service Tpms option, and I have program sensor. Now what I have to do, like I said, first I have to program the sensor to that specific vehicle. So I will select that. Now I have to choose Dodge, and I have a Grand Caravan which is 2010. And now I have to select the brand of the sensor I want to program. Like I said, I have the Alligator brand, and also you also have to make sure that the Tpms tool you're using actually has that brand listed. So Alligator, and now there are two options: copy ID or create sensor. Now if you are using a used sensor you can reprogram it and copy the ID to this vehicle, or if you have a brand new one you will have to create a new sensor. So that's what I will select, and once I do that the sensor will be ready to be programmed, and I have to place it here in front of this this scanner piece. And now press start. And this is now the process I have to go through. It's gonna take maybe 10 seconds. Now it's verifying. And now it is done. And here is gonna show you all the data, the battery status, and things like that. The PSI, obviously the sensor is not in the tires, that cannot show any PSI value, but this is what you have to do for each new sensor before you can install it on the rims. Now once you program the sensors and you have them installed in the tires, your Tpms light should go off. If it doesn't go off, sometimes it doesn't, you still have to service the Tpms. This is this option, so you have to learn that sensor to the vehicle. So like I said, first you have to program it for the vehicle to even be able to recognize that sensor, and then in some cases you have to do the service Tpms as well, just to learn that sensor to the computer, to the PCM. That's how it works pretty much. So every time you go to a tire shop, this is the process they do when they are installing new Tpms sensors, and this is what they are charging you, over $100, and it takes literally 2 minutes for all 4 sensors. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.